Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you download a Pinterest video this 2023. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you want to do it on your phone guys, this is very possible. So you just have to go over to your Pinterest app, and for example, let's search for a couple of videos here. So let's try funny videos. So let's try and download this. You just have to copy the link here in the three dots here. Copy link. And you just have to go over to your browser and search for Pinterest downloader. So there. So the website is called pinterestdownloader.com. So it is a very reliable website to download Pinterest videos. So once that is done, you just have to paste that link there. And you just have to download that video here. So you can also get this on Google Play. So you just have to go over and download the video here. You can view it if you want. So here, download video. And all you have to do is press the three dots here and download. So that should download the video. Let's open that. And as you can see, it is now downloaded on our device. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can download your Pinterest videos. Thank you for watching and goodbye.